Hello everyone, welcome to Farming 4.0. In this video, I'll show you how to pick fresh cucumbers from the garden and turn them into delicious pickles. Stay tuned for useful tips and quick tricks to help you make the best pickles at home. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to support me. Let's get started. In this video, you'll see the exciting process of picking fresh cucumbers from the harvest and watch as they make their way to the pickle factory for packaging before being sent to supermarkets. Get ready to join us on this fascinating journey from farm to shelf. Washing cucumbers plays a crucial role in eliminating all kinds of bacteria and preventing consumer illnesses. Imagine slicing into a crisp, clean cucumber, knowing that every bite is free from harmful germs. This simple act of washing isn't just about removing dirt, it's about safeguarding your health. By thoroughly rinsing your cucumbers, you ensure that they remain a refreshing, healthy snack without the hidden danger of bacteria. Once the cucumber is washed, it is either packaged and sent to supermarkets or prepared for pickling. This crucial step ensures that whether the cucumbers are destined for a grocery store shelf or a jar of tangy pickles, they're clean and safe for consumption. By thoroughly washing the cucumbers, we make sure that they reach consumers in the best possible condition, ready to be enjoyed fresh or as a delicious preserved treat. The journey from field to table starts with this simple yet vital act, protecting health and enhancing flavor. Preparing pickles is indeed a relatively simple process that can be done at home, but factories also play a crucial role in ensuring human convenience. At home, pickling can be a fun and rewarding activity, allowing individuals to customize flavors and preserve seasonal produce. However, factories streamline the process, mass-producing pickles to meet the demands of consumers worldwide. Their role extends beyond mere convenience. They ensure a consistent supply of pickled goods, maintain quality standards, and often innovate with new flavors and packaging options. So, while homemade pickles may have a special charm, factories contribute significantly to the accessibility and variety of pickled products, enriching our culinary experiences. Once packed uniformly in the jar, the secret liquid, brine solution, is poured over the cucumbers, imparting flavor and kickstarting the fermentation process. Then the jar is sent to a machine that aids in fermentation, a crucial step in transforming cucumbers into delicious pickles. This magical process not only preserves the cucumbers, but also enhances their taste, creating that distinctive tangy flavor loved by pickle enthusiasts everywhere. So, whether it's a homemade batch or factory-produced, the journey from crisp cucumber to delectable pickle involves a touch of mystery and a whole lot of flavor. Thank you for coming this far. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button by pressing the bell to receive notifications when I post and to learn new things. Bye.